Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the evening, minimum 5 days a week, plus breaking news, plus videos throughout the day on everything that's of interest to you. No one works harder on YouTube. Everything you see here is real, genuine, our real life position, our real money. Everything's happening right in front of you. We are joined every day by angel investors, secret millionaires, here to help people grow their portfolios, grow on YouTube. We are here to help and support everyone, and we want nothing in return other than your company. We do enjoy you being here. I've gone early today because I'm very excited about where the markets are going. I'm very bullish, more bullish than ever, in fact, now. Taking the afternoon to research what is going on in the world right now. Even though there's a lot of negativity, I see the stock market as a great opportunity right now. So let's go straight into it. Let's get straight into the trades and show you my live positions, all of my positions. All right, there we go. If you've just tuned in this afternoon, welcome, welcome, welcome to you. Click subscribe and ring the bell. There you go. And give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. I've surprised everybody by going 20 minutes early today. So this will be interesting to see what happens. Welcome everybody on TikTok this afternoon. Lovely to have you here. Where else are we live? We're live on our home, which of course is YouTube. We're live on Facebook profile, and we're live on my Facebook group. We're also live on LinkedIn, Twitter, and of course Twitch. Welcome everyone wherever you are, but do come to youtube.com/thedaytrader1. This is where you need to be. This is the place to be on YouTube. This is the home, and this is where we do our giveaways. We have cash giveaways most days, and we do it all the time. So let's get straight into our trades right now. This is my overall portfolio down today. It recovered quite a bit. You see the markets now recovering because we are predicting, or at least some of our members are predicting, that we are going to have a big crash in the next couple of weeks, or the next week or so. I don't see it because we've waited till June the 1st to see what the Fed are going to do. We've had the meeting with Joe Biden. We know that the Fed are being left to do their job. We know about the price hikes, We know about interest. We know all about all these things. We know about inflation possibly peaking. I feel this is the time to start getting in, slowly get back in again. I'm fully in with my cash. Good afternoon, Christopher Marantet. You're the first one here. We went early this afternoon, 20 minutes early. So no one is here. I surprised them by going 20 minutes earlier. They all joined me at 2 o'clock Central, 3 p.m. Eastern. So Christopher, you are the very first person here. You can see Mike was here and Dexter was here early getting ready for the show. They're having a cup of tea, probably expecting the show to start at 2. So I thought I'd surprise everybody. And the reason for that is I'm extremely bullish about where we're going in the stocks right now. We know about the interest. We know about the war. And high-tech, high-risk stocks are going to be the best stocks to be in. I think oil will drop the moment we get some kind of ceasefire in Ukraine, and I believe that will come. Once that comes, fuel stocks will drop. CMV Studio has been a member now for 4 months. Thank you very much indeed, Tom, for being here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right. Okay, let me open up the green room. Let me open up the broadcast lounge to bring you in. Let me open it up for you now. We've got some new testimonials. Very excited about it. Let me just mute the site. There we go. That is a Discord over there. The broadcast lounge is open. You can call on in for all members. Okay. Oil needs to come down. The price per gallon is mental. Oil will come down as soon as we get some stability, and I believe it's 2 or 3 months away. And you always have to think ahead of the game but if you wait for that time to come, it'll all be too late. We'll already be in that market, and it'll all be too late. So very, very important to think ahead. So that's where I am right now. Anyway, good to have you here. Not anytime soon. In the next, no, the war won't be over in the next couple of months, but we'll have resolution when it comes to oil. We'll have stability when it comes to oil, because now we've pulled the plug on Europe. There will be resolution. You'll know where the price is going. That's what we're talking about, Christopher. I know the war's going to go on for quite a while, but I believe that the price of oil will stabilize. We'll know exactly what's going on with that. That the Fed have already priced all this stuff in. Seeing all the stocks fall so much as they have, and you see them rallying, trying to push back up again. People are starting to get back in. Look at Tesla. I've been buying the dips. I've now got an average of 7.11. Rivian today fell back down, but it's recovering nicely. Lucid fell back down, but recovering nicely as well. I mean, don't forget Rivian. I'm up now 12.5%, looking very strong. And Amazon. This is the telltale sign right here. High-tech stocks are the future stocks. They're the ones to be in my opinion, in the next few months. This is what's going to drive the markets most. It's going to drive the S&P the most. They were oversold the most. They will do the most difference. So I believe that these are the ones to be in. And 3.5 grand this used to be. I've now got 1.5 shares of Amazon, and I'm only down 2%. Looking really good now. Apple is recovering as well, just down 2%. I've been buying more and more of the dips all the way along. Robinhood presented a great opportunity this morning. I doubled up my Robinhood this morning. McDonald's looking good, recovering now. Coca-Cola, the same thing. Great returns with the dividends. I picked up some more there. Johnson & Johnson, I picked up more there today, and we're up there. MasterCard looking good. Google, I want to get some more if we get a bit of a dip. I'm not going all in. There could be a pullback, but I don't think now it's going to be like market profit predicted. I don't see a complete meltdown in the next couple of weeks. I don't see that. Driving the markets as well will be Meta, up 5% now. Up 5% on Meta, great. SoFi, driving the finance market. I'm now in more than ever. I've got 64 shares of it. IonQ, quantum computers. Chris, you know all about quantum computers, right? That'll drive the market as well. We've got a few new traders' testimonials. Here's Tom.
Welcome to the Day Trader. Tom from CMV Studios here. The reason why I love Martyn and the channel is he's always willing to help everyone out, gives all of his time up dedicated to the programs, to the shows. And if you want to know anything about trading or music, then Martyn's your man to go to.
We've even got Sir Elton John live on the show. He called in for me. So, Elton John, tell us why you should watch The Day Trader.
Hello, my name is Sam Hughes, and I pretend to be Sir Elton John for a living. Now, if you want music, if you want the stocks, anything like that, this is the place to be. Follow this man. He's beautiful. He is the Rocket Man. I thought I was. His name is Martyn Lucas. Follow him. He is the Day Trader.
Nice one, Sam. I like that. That's very, very good. Very, very good indeed. Thank you for that. I can't wait for him to come in later, and he's not seen that yet. That's the world premiere of that. Right, the stocks are now coming up looking good. We might even turn green again today, and if we turn green again today, that's like a couple of weeks in a row now. You can see we're up 8.66, $2,800 in the past week. Things are holding now. I am confident now. I feel confident that we've got not necessarily to the bottom, but I do feel a lot better. How are you feeling today? Yeah, I'm feeling a lot better, Tom. I took some medication and I feel a whole new person today. Absolutely great. All right, if you've just tuned into the show this afternoon, and as I can see, let's put Mr. Mini-Me on the screen. We've only got 4 likes, 12 watching. Let's smash the 1 minute. Here we go. Chiggy, ba ba. Let's get the likes going up. Real Sotoshi, please stand up. Please stand up. Please stand up. With the real Sotoshi, please stand up. Nakamoto. Come on. Let's get Mr. Mini-Me on the screen. One of our NFTs. 14 viewing, 4 likes. Let me check the screens around the studio. Everything's looking pretty good. Hello, how you doing on TikTok? All right, we've got 20 seconds to go. We need 10 likes. We've got 4 likes now. We've got 15 people watching. Smash the like button. Let us know that you are here. Come into the live chat. Fantastic. Mr. Mini-Me back in your box. There we go. And there we go. Did we get any more likes? No, everyone's still asleep right now. Taking a while to come on into the chat. Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas, World Piano Man. This is our TV studio here from Dallas, Texas. I'm from the UK though, and this is where we go live 4 hours every single day plus videos. No one serves you more than this channel. We've raised over $1 million now for fundraisers and charities live on our show. All our members can have that privilege for free. You don't pay me anything. You don't give me any commission whatsoever. For a couple of bucks a month, you can be a member of this channel and I can do you a fundraiser where you keep all of the money 100% and I charge you absolutely nothing. It's a perk for our members. I don't do any fundraisers for anybody else unless they're a member of the Day Trader. There it is. It's 3 times in the chat. Become a member, a couple of bucks a month. Plus, as a silver member, we put you on the homepage of the YouTube channel and promote you and get you more views. Guaranteed, all my members will watch your videos, like your videos, comment on your videos. Ask any of my members and they'll tell you yes, yes, yes. Zach is here from Uganda. We've raised money for Zach in his village. How are you, Zach? Good to have you live on the show this afternoon. All right, let's hear from Patty in Italy.
Hello to everybody. I'm calling from Tuscany, near Pisa. I'm very, very happy to be here. It's very amazing. It's very funny. And to share friendship, a great channel, because you're sympathetic, because it's a great family, a pleasure, and a great emotion.
Indeed, Tom, just 5 more members to Discord and we'll hit the first target. Talking about targets, we're over on Twitch right now. Open your second browser if you can. We've got 32 followers now, 2 viewers. We need 1 more viewer. We need average of 3 per session. Do not abandon YouTube, but if you wouldn't mind being on Twitch at the same time, that really, really helps. We're live on TikTok now, and we're live on Twitch and Discord and everywhere at the same time, and it really does drive the channel, which is absolutely great. Okie dokie. Right, market profit. Market's getting weaker and weaker in breadth. This bear market rally is not showing any teeth. Not sure if we'll make it out this week. Make it out the week of June the 6th without the next major leg down. You know what? Market profit. I've been watching Yahoo and Bloomberg this afternoon on TV, and I'm not 100% convinced. A lot of it's split. There are analysts who are right with you that there's more to come, and there are other analysts from Chase Bank, Bank of America, Merrill Lynch, all kinds of different institutions that feel that there could be some more pain, but not much more. It's apparently already priced in. People are believing it's already priced in. But, I mean, you're saying it's going to get worse than you predicted before. I may have been too optimistic with the June 16th call. You know, we now know where the Fed are going. We had the meeting in June 1st. Everyone's been waiting for today. We've had that. We know where we're going. Paul B. I'm not reading that out. I don't know. But you know what? I do feel more optimistic. I do. Quantitative tightening is all that matters. No liquidity, no higher highs in the markets. So what I'm doing now is I've started to double down on some things. I'll show you what I've done here this morning, this afternoon. The Vanguard S&P, I haven't touched it yet. I'm not selling it. Most certainly not selling it. I haven't added to it because I think an ETF, this could drop. We could have a bit of a drop, and I'm waiting for it. I've got a very good position. I've got 20 shares of it. If it goes down like you say, I will buy some more. And I will buy it every 5% it drops. We've already lost 30% in the S&P over the last couple of months. So if it goes down 5%, I'll pick up a couple more shares. It'll go down 10%. I'll buy 5 more shares. I will slowly keep adding back. Virgin Galactic, I've increased my position there today. As you can see, I've got now 1,101. I've taken that up a bit. And I've now got a lower average of 698. I like that as well. I don't trust those institutions. They are hardly correct and have self-interest. Of course they do. I understand that. The Solana network has been halted. Worldwide drop 25%. Solana, I'm not a fan of any of that kind of stuff. As you know, Paul B, I've only really got a small position in Ethereum, and I'm losing confidence and respect in it every day. I think it's right. You should hold it. I think it should be, 1 or 2% of your portfolio, but it just keeps on going down. It doesn't show any resistance to inflation. Doesn't show any hedge to inflation like it was supposed to. Bitcoin, I'm only up slightly because I kept buying the dips. I've got such a small position, it hardly matters. I've got 2 BSV coins, just in case, like a lottery ticket. If it ever does become the biggest thing in the world, hey, I've got 2 coins. I don't need 100. But I've really cut back on my crypto at the moment. Not to say things will change, but right now, it just seems too much around it that isn't coming to fruition. I don't know. Yes, the market makers are trying to shake out the little guys. I do believe that. They're trying to scare everybody out. I think I'm not saying we've hit the bottom, but I think you should be in and have some cash on the side to bring extra money in. I think that should be right. But anyway. So I've bought more Virgin Galactic. What else have I done? Tesla, I haven't touched it. I've been buying the dips, up to 12 shares of it though, but not in the last couple of weeks. Rivian, well, not in the last week, sorry. Rivian, I've got 16. I'm making profit with Rivian. Happy with that. I feel Rivian, Lucid are all at their lows. Might go 2-3%, maybe 5% lower, but I think we're pretty there. Arrival, I feel good about Arrival. I bought some more Arrival today. Got 164 now. Amazon, I'm not buying anymore. I'm still down 2%, but I'm riding it up. Apple, again, I won't buy any more unless Apple really drops 20-30%. I won't buy any more for that. Robinhood, I bought some more today though. I doubled from 22 to 44, and as you can see, even though we're 7% down, I'm only down 0.3% because I bought the dip. Arrival has arrived. Arrival has arrived. I totally agree. Arrival has arrived. So 168, this is like buying Bitcoin or Tesla or Amazon when it first came out. I'm not saying that Arrival is going to be the new Tesla, the new Amazon, the new whatever. But at these prices, you're not losing anything, right? You get 164 shares. This goes up to $40, $50 a share in 5 years' time. You're going to be in a good, strong position, right? So there you go. Over on Twitch, how are you, Mike? Thanks for following me over on Twitch. Amazon up 2% today. Happy with that. Right, what else was I going to say? Yeah, Robinhood. So even though Robinhood is down 7% today, I am only down 0.49 because I doubled the amount. I've got 44 shares now. This has shown itself to be a bottom before. So, again, I'm not buying any more, but if it goes down 20%, I will. But anyway, happy with that. McDonald's, I've just got a market share at the moment. Coca-Cola, one of my favourite stocks. Solid over the years. Down today, and I bought more, so I've got 8 shares now. Slowly building up. I like the dividends that come in. Now, I've now got all my dividends to be... Thank you very much. I've got all my dividends to be reinvested. Automatically, wherever we are, whatever the price, not even going to consider it. It's just going to be reinvested to grow my portfolio. So I'm getting more and more dividend stocks. Coca-Cola's got dividends on it and pretty good ones too. Johnson & Johnson, I bought more. I've now got 3 shares. I've been increasing that. I like it. Now, Market Profit is saying so much more pain ahead. Everyone is so blind to the reality of current financial market conditions. No. I agree with you, Market. I agree with you that what you're saying, but I think the market have understood that, and the market have priced it in. If next week the markets were down 30%, as you predict, right? The markets would be down today 30% because people would be getting out. Why would you be sitting around waiting for it? The markets are always ahead, and that's the problem with retail investors. We're always behind. So I'm trying to be ahead. I'm not trying to beat the market because I know I can't, but we know that the markets could drop, so I reckon it's already happened. And I see more upside in the next couple of years than the downside in the next 3 months or even a couple of weeks. So there you go. That's what I think. So I know what you're like with crypto mining. I want you to research CRO, Chronos Network. Yeah, on Coinbase. I used to have some, I believe. What a future this project has got. What it's doing with DeFi especially is brilliant. I would like to be into DeFi. I'd like to stake my crypto and make money from it. To me, that sounds a great idea. I would. My only concern, and I do believe that crypto, digital currency, is here for good. I do believe that. I think you're absolutely spot on. I do believe it. Let me just say, at one point, a few months ago, I had Bitcoin, as in BTC. I had $10,000 of BTC. $10,000. I have $123 right now. I've made money from it. But the reason why I'm not so much into it is, like I said before, with stocks, you need hundreds of different stocks because they all make different things, right? Why, if crypto was the digital currency, the digital asset, the digital everything of the future, do you need hundreds of different ones? I think the reason for that is everyone's greedy. Everybody wants to get rich. Everybody wants to come up with the next idea. And everybody wants to sell the next idea. And I think the problem is we've got now is everyone's doing everything and no one knows what to do. I mean, you look at some of the... you look at George on Cryptos Are Us, and he's got like 100 different crypto assets. I mean, how the hell do you keep up with all of it? Surely the benefit of a global crypto asset is you only need one. So, you know, I'd like to... That's what confuses me. Doesn't make sense that there are so many. But anyway. Market Profit. I disagree. It's scaremongering that the market is restructuring. That's what Deeper the Money says. I disagree. Let's just keep it into context, though. Market Profit has been absolutely spot on for months. But like all bearish people, at some point, it turns bullish. Guaranteed. We don't go bearish forever. If it was bearish forever, the markets wouldn't exist and nobody would ever invest again. Right, be pointless. I agree with Martin. QT and a recession has already been largely priced in my opinion. That's what Paul thinks. So there we go. We are split today. Some people agree with me, which is amazing. I wouldn't agree with me if I was you. I'm just a guy on YouTube. What do I know about anything? But anyway. Microsoft up today slightly. Yesterday we were nearly green. Do we predict a green day today? Probably not. Nvidia. I've only got one share of Nvidia, but I'm up 17% right now. Meta Platforms, I'm up 5%. SoFi, I'm down 1.3. That's another one I bought more in. So you might like that, my crypto guys. Paul B, do you like it? Do you like SoFi? Think it's got a future? Think it's worth getting into at these prices? I believe so. I've got 64 shares. I doubled it up today. IonQ, Amazon's third largest investment, quantum computers. We're down 6% today, and I'm only down 0.44. I doubled up on it. Every time that drops 5%, I double up on it. So I will always pretty much wipe out my loss. Obviously, that gets more and more expensive each time, but that's okay. That's how I'm preparing for the potential downswing that market profit is talking about. That's how I'm doing it. I am going, okay, every 5% drop, every time my total return says down 5%, I basically double my investment. So that kind of wipes it out. Near enough. That's kind of how to do it. If you've got the allocation that you are ready to buy more. And I am. I think this is the time we'll look back on in 6 months' time and, wish we were in. By the time we've accepted it's recession, by the time everyone's decided that it's the bottom, it's no longer the bottom. It was when they thought about it, but they never acted on it. That's my take on it. All right. Okay. We've got 9 likes now. If you can smash the like button, that would be very, very helpful to the channel. June 27th, this channel will be 1 year old, and we're going to celebrate. We have all sorts of special events lined up for it. So there we go. Let me know you're here by smashing the like button. Help us grow. There we go. We got 10 likes now, and let's get the likes moving this afternoon. Subscribe, ring the bell if you're tuning in. If you're over there on TikTok, we've got cash giveaways coming up here. We're joined by secret millionaires and angel investors all the time. Thank you very much for following me, and we've got over 17,000 followers now, 17,100 followers on TikTok. Thank you very much indeed. Smash the like button. Here is the mini me. Today is going to be okay. It's not going to be a green day. These are all my NFTs you can trade, of course. Mike, how are you, Mike? Thank you very much for helping me grow over there on Twitch. Very much indeed. Hello to you on Facebook and my profile. Hello to you on my Facebook group as well. Thank you for being there. Have we got anybody on LinkedIn? Let me have a quick look. Look on in there. And Twitter, thank you very much for being here as well. There we go. And Twitch, we now have 32 followers. Great. Fantastic. Okay, that's where we are right now. That's how I see things going. Market Profit doesn't agree. He says he's got all his cash on the side. He predicts it's all going to get a lot worse. And obviously, if that's how you feel, then you obviously need to be out of the situation right now. I totally get that. Let me just check something for a minute. I should be on LinkedIn right now. There we go. I should be on LinkedIn. Why am I not on LinkedIn? Okay. That's bizarre. Anyone know why I'm not on LinkedIn? I should be. Anyway, not to worry. IonQ bought the dips. Hello, Paddy. How are ya? I agree with Market Profit and I hope for best while planning for the worst. There you go. I think that's very wise. The only thing is, if you plan for the worst, you miss the best. That's a fact in life, always. If you plan for the worst, you miss the best. The best will be when it starts to rally. Oh, by the way, I also bought Rolls-Royce today. I doubled up in Rolls-Royce. Why? Because this is not Rolls-Royce the cars. I've been waiting for this dip now. I've been waiting a long time. I used to be up on Rolls-Royce, and then the dips came and I just waited and waited and waited and waited and waited, and I got in today. I doubled my position. I'm still down 7%, but Rolls-Royce isn't the cars. Rolls-Royce is servicing the engines. Now we're getting all these flights. They might cancel them, which isn't great for the airlines, but it's bloody great for Rolls-Royce, because Rolls-Royce are having to service engines, and they've got a whole load of engines due to be serviced. So Rolls-Royce are servicing a lot of the engines for a lot of the planes. So as the demand for planes picks up, they have to, by law, get them serviced at certain periods of time, and Rolls-Royce have got the contracts for many of the servicing conditions. So Rolls-Royce Aerospace, not Rolls-Royce, the cars. So there you go. That's why over the last few days, we've started to see 6% on the week. We've seen a little bit of an uptick because, you know, demand for flying has started to increase. And I'm not looking for much now, I'm looking for another 7%. It could do that quite quickly. And then I could be in profit. And I won't be looking for too much profit with Rolls-Royce, really. I'd like to get it around the $9, which, you know, is a 8x from where we are now. So that's not bad. 900 to maybe $7,000, something in that region. I'll be happy with that. I don't know if Robinhood supports this, but Martyn, type in Chronos or CRO. No, it's on Coinbase. I do have it on Coinbase, but I will do it. I will search it for you. I know they don't do it because I can show you all the crypto they do. If I go to crypto a minute, down here, cryptocurrencies. There we go. These are all the cryptos we have on Robinhood right now. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin SV, Solana, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Polygon, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic, and Compound. These are all of what's available on Robinhood. But what I can show you, and I'm very happy to do so if you wish me to do it, is bring up Coinbase. I think it's Coinbase. And, of course, CRO is on there. Let's have a little look. Trade CRO. Let me type it in. CRO. There we go. I'll bring it up now. Let me bring it up now for you. And again, it's down again right now. But is this the one you're talking about? CRO. This is on Coinbase, Crypto.com. So there we go. Is that what you're talking about? It's down right now, as you can see, 4.64. Tell me why I should own that. Tell me why I need to get that. I'd love you to tell me. We talk about future in the next 2 years. Martyn, Chronos, Crypto.com will be the market leader. That's what Paul B believes. He's into his crypto big time. And hi everyone, deep in the money. Paul, you know you can call in. You are a member to the channel. You can call in, have your say, talk about crypto. You can come on by video as well. You want to share a screen. You want to share information. Please feel free. Just go into Discord. You have that privilege to that perk to be able to do that. Here's the Discord. I know you're already on there, but come into the broadcast lounge and be part of it. You are more than welcome. Would love to hear. We could have a day talking about nothing but crypto if you wanted to. We can do specials like that, or we could record a video and put it out as a special. Edit it. I don't mind. I'm very happy to do whatever you want. This is your channel, guys, right? Okay, so on the hour, we're down 1.62. We've dropped off quite a bit in this last hour. But over the day, we've had a bit of a rebound. Oh, have I been logged out? Oh, great. Looks like I've been logged out. Ah, looks like I've been logged out, guys. Let me just check. Yep, I've been logged out. Absolutely wonderful. So let me refresh the screens a minute. It happens after a while. It's a security measure, I guess, but it's very bloody annoying. I've got to, and because I've set up all the maximum security, I make it really hard for myself as well, which is unbelievably difficult as well. But anyway, let me put all the codes back in. Trouble is, I've got so many screens open, it won't necessarily fix everything either. It might do. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Okay. Let me take you over to this screen a minute while I refresh and log in over here. There's nothing I can do about this, I'm afraid. This is all part of it. All of a sudden, you get logged out. There's not a version for a YouTuber who's doing a live show. Hey, all right, mate. We'll keep you. We'll make sure that you're not logged out. Don't worry about that, mate. Don't worry about that. No, I'm afraid there's none of that. I have to go through all the tabs individually, so I'm just doing that now to bring everything back in. It's all fun and games. So I'm just keeping you on that screen just for a moment while I log back in again. Apologise for the inconvenience. It's beyond my control, I'm afraid. And it never likes loading mass pages. You may remember we've had this before on the show. If you get logged out for everything, it doesn't like you loading up all the pages either. That's always a difficult one. Okay, looks like I might have to... Oh no. It's letting me back in. Ah, there we go. Whoops. A little bit has. Yeah, a little bit has. As you can see, the markets are recovering right now. I think we might even end up with a green day. We asked this question yesterday, and it nearly happened. Binance is currently the market leader for cryptocurrency, but this will change within the next 2 to 3 years. Crypto.com will flip Binance. What information do you have to sort of prove that? How do you come to that conclusion? I'd like to know, because we all have these beliefs and stuff we read, and I often wonder how we come to these, how we all come to these conclusions, because we all have conclusions. Everyone has a belief. So if you just tuned in, I got logged out of Robinhood. It happens. It's a security measure. You can't predict when it's going to happen. And obviously I'm online a lot, so it does sometimes happen during a live show. It's very rare. It's every few days they like to refresh if you're logged in constantly. It's a security measure. I understand that. Unfortunately, when it happens during a live show, it's not the best thing in the world, because the computer is running 14 different screens, doesn't particularly like having everything reopened during a live show. But anyway, I'm just getting there. Most of my screens are open now. Paul, I hope so, because I have some heavy bags of crypto. And by the way, if you wasn't here this morning, we celebrated Paul and Lel DeVars's birthdays. It was a fun one. I encourage you to go back and have a look at the video if you missed it. Celebrate your friends here. We had a good time. We're nearly done. I wanted to show you my Tilray as well, which hopefully we'll be able to show you in a second. I doubled down on my Tilray as well. What does everybody feel about that one? Okay, hopefully now some of the pages might be open. They are struggling. It's not the best situation to restart everything while you're trying to do a live show, but unfortunately in this situation, there wasn't much I can do. Got logged out. Okay, we're back to the main trading screen now. This is the S&P 500. Oh, I wish, and happy birthday. Yes, it was a good one. It was a good one. Paul and Lel DeVarsa this morning. So we're starting to get a decent recovery. Are we going to have a green day? We asked yesterday, and 68%, I think it was, said we would, and we ended up not. But it was very close. But today is even closer, with more time to go, actually. So it's more likely today. I feel, and when the recovery comes, we all agree on that. We all, some of us agree there's more pain to come, but some of us believe, like me, I believe that the recovery will come with high risk, high tech stocks. That for me is the future. That's what will change the world. That's what will fix the problems. That's what will make the world a better place. The EV space, the technology space, all of that stuff will be what people put their money in my opinion. That's what I think. Anyway, let's see if some of these stocks are open again now. So Virgin Galactic has been coming up throughout the day. I've lowered my average now, 690. It's 698. It was 701. Not that much lower, but under $7 now. I'll take it. Tesla, 711. Rivian, Lucid, down 2.53. I'm up 11% on it now. Arrival, I doubled up this morning. Apple, I haven't added anything there. Don't feel I need to. I think it's going to be in the green. Sorry, not Amazon, I apologize. Just 1.99 to go now. We've got the stock split for Amazon next week. Just a few days away now. Now, you might say, it's already priced in. Of course it is. Everything's already priced in ahead of the game. The market makers and the people, far more intelligent than me, make sure it's priced in. But But the retail investor next week, when they see Amazon, I think it's 20 to 1. When they see Amazon at a 1/20th of the price, they go, oh, not everyone can do fractional trading. And not only that, people like to own a share of something. Psychologically, remember, it's all about people's sentiment. I think people are going to buy into Amazon next week, and I think Amazon's going to go up. Because everyone uses it. Everyone loves it. Well, everyone loves it. Most people love it, right? Does everyone love Amazon here? I don't know. I do anyway. Coca-Cola, great. I'm just about to make money on it. Great. 8 shares, nice dividend. Love it. Been buying it all day. Johnson & Johnson, yeah, I picked up some more. Really happy now. MasterCard, Google. I'd love to own a whole share of Google. But I'm waiting in case market's right and we do get this 20% drop. Same with Microsoft. I only own $10 of it. I used to have I used to have lots of shares of it, but there you go. Nvidia, I wouldn't mind buying that again either. Adding to that position, but there you go. Facebook, that's up. Not a fan of Facebook, but I do think it's going to drive the future. I'll take a look at it, Paul. What's that, Paul? Something for you to look at, mate. You can use the farms to stake your crow. Earn more of your crow or other coins that are available from worth looking into. Paul B, I would like to know about this stuff. I really, really would. I am interested in it. Staking your crypto. It does make a lot of sense. Are there any risks involved with that? What are the risks against the benefits? IonQ down 0.99. That's why I doubled up today. I had 33. I've got 66. Just keep doubling it. Wipes out your pretty much wipes out your average. PayPal, I haven't bought any more. Not fully committed to PayPal. Rolls-Royce, let's go back to the day position and looking good, 6.48. We've now got all the servicing coming in for Rolls-Royce. I think this has got a good future. Oh my gosh, how long has it been? I've not done a commercial break. There we go. Just dropped in a commercial break. You can skip it and come right back to me if you wish to. Why wouldn't you? Walmart, I nearly bought a second one today. Again, I'm up. I'm just waiting for this potential drop that might come. Market Profit was saying he thinks that Walmart could go to $100 a share. And I would like to buy it at 100, absolutely. Does anybody else feel that? Tesco's, great for dividends. I've only got 11. I'm only up slightly. I'd buy some more if it drops lower. Canoe, GOEV, I'm up 1.66. Only a small position right now on. IPOF. Tilray Brands, there we go. Now then, Tilray Brands, you may remember at one point I was 35% down, I think it was. I'm down 1.56. I've been buying the dips each time. I doubled up again today as well. So I'm now down 1.48. I've got 224 shares. Again, we've got a $40 price target on this one. $40. That's a 10x sitting there. So that's $10,000 potentially sitting there. 900 to 10,000, 9,000. That is the plan. That's why I keep buying the dips. Ginkgo Bioworks, I've only got 10. I'm up 13%. Made $3. I don't know why I'm just sitting there. I either should sell it or buy more or something. But anyway, Open Door looking okay today. Down 2%, but I'm up 6.8. Enphase, I love what they're doing. Love to buy some more of that if we get a drop. And then, of course, now we come on to Bitcoin, which is down 4.37. Ethereum, Bitcoin, BTC, which is down 4.33 today. And Ethereum is also down 5.96. So there we go. We are seeing a recovery. We're not far. We're 1% away now. So what do you think? I'll put some links. This is Paul B. I'll put some links in the Discord for you to read for crypto.com, DeFi and VVS Finance. Thank you very much indeed. That's great. I'll benefit everybody. I'll take a look as well. Paul said, good stuff. Right. Let's open the broadcast lounge. If anybody wants to call in, please feel free. Is Christopher Marantet still here? He was here right at the beginning. If you've just tuned in this afternoon, smash the like button, subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. And always appreciate that very much indeed. It's a bit of a quiet one today. Bit of a quiet one. Happens from time to time. We went earlier today as well. Half an hour earlier. Just to surprise you all. I just felt like going live because I feel that the markets have got plenty of opportunity and we should, I want to be online. Just going across the board right now and seeing, we've not seen Peru for a couple of days. I wonder where Peru is. Right, we've got some interesting news here. Have you seen this one? I thought you might find this interesting today. Elon Musk doing his thing as usual. So have you seen this one about his staff? This is some interesting news here today. Elon Musk wants Tesla staff to return to the office, but 52% of global workforce would rather take a pay cut than I'm assuming, come back into the office. Let's have a look. Elon Musk wants Tesla staff to return to the office, but 52% of global workforce would rather take a pay cut than come back. Wow. And 64% of employees would look for a new job if their employer forced them to return to the office full time. Well, that's just getting lazy. That's lazy. Who thinks that's lazy? 64% of employees would look for a new job. If everyone's looking for a new job, you'll end up back in the same job. I mean, I'm afraid I'm a bit old-fashioned here, and I think that if someone employs you, pays you money to do a job, you do what the employer wants, right? I mean, I'm old-fashioned like that. If you've got money and you've invested and built a business and you hire staff, the staff do what you tell them to do, within reason, you know. And I don't think it's too much to ask to say, come to work to get paid. I don't think it is. I think we've all got lazy and we kind of enjoy being at home. And that's all very well and good, but we've become lazy. And we need to accept we've become lazy. And if the boss says you've got to come back to work, I'm paying you. I mean, maybe we should, you know. Well, I like working at home. Yeah, well, I like sitting on my arse, but, you know. Is Elon Musk wrong for telling his staff to come in? I mean, 64% say, right, if I've got to go into work where my employer asks me, I'm going to quit. I mean, that don't sound very good, does it? Does that sound right to you? Do the job I hired you for. No, I don't want to do that. I want to quit then. I mean, if you've got everybody quitting, everyone's going to end up working in the same jobs. Maybe not lazy, but avoiding COVID-19 and monkeypox. Well, that's fair enough. That's fair enough. If that's your concern, you know, fair enough. But I don't know. When are we all going to get back to normal? Or is normal ever going to come back? That's the question. Will normal ever come back? What do you guys think? Rocket Man says, well, maybe not lazy, but avoiding COVID-19 and monkeypox. Who come up with the name monkeypox, by the way? I think I would rather have any disease other than monkeypox. Who just feels that monkeypox sounds horrible, right? I'd rather get any other disease than monkeypox, even though monkeypox probably isn't as bad. It just sounds horrible, doesn't it? What's wrong with you, monkeypox? It don't sound good, does it? Does it sound good to anybody here? It doesn't sound good to me. Sounds a lot worse than it actually is. Paul B says, link to the VVS site is on Discord. Thank you very much indeed, Paul. And I think we'll bring it up and highlight it, and I'll read it off air if that's all right with you. Where did you put it? You put it in general chit chat, did you? Yes, you did, Paul B. Put it in general chit chat. So I'm going to encourage you all to take a look at this. This was shared today by Paul B, our crypto expert. Do you like that? You are now, whether you like it or not, our crypto expert. This was put on general chit chat. VVS Finance, thank you very much indeed. So go and check that out if you're interested in crypto. I will check it out later. And we also have this link here. And if I open it up, you can see Paul B left this for us. VVS Finance, how you can stake your, how you can DeFi your money. All right, get paid to stake your crypto. All right, so I'll leave that with you, and we can all go and check that out later. All right, thank you, Paul, for sending that in. All right, go to work. Louis like me, Louis Ramirez. Get off your bloody arse and go to work. I don't know. Yeah, if I'm paying your wages, I expect you to come to work. If you don't want to come to work, well then don't come. You ain't got a job. But if we live in a world where everyone's going to work and catching deadly diseases, fair enough. Are we still in that world though? I mean, how do we establish that? How does an employer establish that? Alicia, hi Martin, sorry I'm late. Alicia, you are forgiven. It's perfectly okay. Hello, Louis. Hello, Paul. Hello, Paul B. Hello, Bill. Hi, Alicia. There we go. Everyone's helloing everybody. Good stuff. Right. Total ignorance. This is our potential Russian expert. Apparently, this guy could be Russian. He said this morning. He said it himself. Maybe I'm Russian. Alzheimer's sounds better. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? But don't forget what I tried to say. Alzheimer's sounds better than monkeypox, but forgot what I tried to say. Yeah, I know. I'd rather have Alzheimer's than monkeypox, wouldn't you? The vaccines don't work, but they want us to. The vaccines don't work. Well, you know. I can only speak from my own experience. I've had the vaccination and I'm all right, but we all know there's lots of people that aren't, so. Oh, right. By the way, let's talk about petrol prices right now. I've got something for you. I'm going to upset the Americans now. Right. Let's have the Americans and the English. Ready? All the Europeans and the Americans. You ready? We're going to go to war now. We're going to fall out. You ready? You ready for some action in the show? You want a bit of energy? You want a bit of we want to light up the chat? We want to get everybody, going for it? Here we go. So Paul B just said, hearing petrol will hit 1.85 a litre. That's £1.85 a litre, which is about $2.50. Thereabouts. We're a litre next week. The oil companies should be shot. There you go. Now then, let's talk about that for a minute. In the UK, fuel, gas, petrol, whatever you want to call it, is 4 or 5 times as expensive as it is in the US. Fact. But the reason why it's so expensive is we like to tax it because we earn a lot of money from tax on it. But anyway, that being said, whether it's tax or not, fuel is a lot more expensive in the UK than it is by a long way than it is in the US. But here's the thing. In the US, people are going absolutely bonkers and mad saying gas is so expensive. And that's right. To them, it's expensive because it's gone up. Used to be $1 a gallon. Now it's $7 a gallon in some places, not everywhere. And everyone's going all hysterical. And I understand that. I'm in America. I get it. Right. But here is the difference. Right. First of all, the average person in Texas, where I am, drives a truck which does 7 miles per gallon. That is less miles than my 6.5 litre lorry used to do. So you could just buy a car that's more environmentally friendly, and then you'd pay a quarter of what you do. You get a car that's 35, 40 to the gallon, like most people do in England. I'm just saying, number one. Or get an EV, and then you got no gas at all, right? Number two. Number three, and the most important thing, I never hear anyone ever say this. No one ever says this at all about gas prices in America. They never say this. They just say it's really, really expensive, right? But they never say this. If you're in England, and I know, I used to live in England, I had my Shell card, and I had my Amazon, what did I have? My Sainsbury's, I had my, Morrison's card, blah, 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 blah. And I used to get all the points and all the discounts, and I could save 10 pence a gallon. Woohoo! If I collected all the points. It hardly makes a difference. However, in the United States, they love coupons, gift cards, cashbacks. They love it. Everybody wants a cashback in America. They absolutely love it. And let me tell you, that if you take advantage of all the cashbacks in America, oh my God, you can get stuff for free. Right now, if you don't believe me, yesterday, Leah went to the fuel station. Leah went to the fuel station yesterday, and everyone's complaining about how much the gas is. And she shops at Kroger. She shops at a supermarket like every other human being on the planet. She shops at Kroger. But she buys her fuel from Kroger, and she uses the app and the discounts and whatever. Yesterday, and I was a witness, I was there, she got over $1 per gallon off by simply shopping and using the Kroger fuel. That's it. They do the same thing for Shell. They do the same thing for all the garages. If you get all the points, but so few people even bother getting all the points. You have to research it. If you go to Shell and T-Mobile give like T-Mobile Tuesdays. So if you combine all the discounts in America are astronomical. And then you use a cashback card, 3%, you could get like $1 a gallon off. Leah did it yesterday. And she spoke to her hairdresser who was complaining about the cost of fuel. Oh, the cost of fuel is $5 a gallon now. Blah, 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 blah. And she says, where'd you get your fuel from? I can't be bothered with that. I can't be bothered with the discount cards. So many people will moan, but they don't take advantage of all the opportunities. All I'm saying. So anyway, in America, you drive cars which are 4 times more fuel inefficient than they are in Europe. You have the cheapest fuel in the world. Fact, period. You earn more money than other nations, period. And you have the best cashback and voucher system in the world. So you might still say it's expensive, and that's, up to you. And I live in America, so I understand what you're saying. But you have it cheaper than anywhere else. You earn more money than everywhere else. You have more cashback than anywhere else. And you drive the most inefficient cars. You could buy a more efficient car. So technically, it ain't that bad in America. That's all I'm saying. I think America's got it pretty good. Anyway. Have a nice evening. I have to go. See you later, Total Ignorance. Louis says, I'll never give up my truck. Do you know what? I got a friend who runs a building company who says, I'll never give up my truck for an electric truck. I said, why? He said, nothing can beat my Chevrolet truck or whatever he's got, his Ram or whatever it's got. I said, what do you mean? He said, nothing could carry as much as this. Nothing could pull as much as my big truck. And I went, the Cybertruck will double everything that your truck can do. It can pull more. It can carry more. It runs for free. It doesn't have maintenance. It holds its value better. Period. And it comes out this year. I'm just saying. And it can also be a generator for your house and power your house, so you don't have to spend 10 grand on a gas generator to power your house. No, I don't believe it. That's what he said. I said, have you ever been in a Tesla truck? Obviously not, because they're not out yet. But have you ever been in a Tesla? He went, no. Well, how do you know then? Well, I don't care. I just like my truck. So you don't know the difference. I don't think that's... What the hell? What do you think of that then? Come on, I want to wind everybody up. I want everyone to come back to me and say something. You can't argue this stuff. Everyone's gone very, very quiet. Yes, Ali, we could call the train trader. Who's the train trader? Chipotle Mexican fast food chain, which operates in the US, now expects Bitcoin as payment. Hey, see, that's another thing we learned the other day. Who was it? It was Ali Tisro called in with Peru. Very, very enlightening interview that was. And Ali Tisro, I think it was Ali Tisro, wasn't it? He was using his crypto to buy all kinds of stuff. I had no idea that it was that available. I was like, wow, that's pretty amazing. Anyway, there you go. Very, very cool. Chipotle Mexican fast food chain. Yep, they're all around here, Paul. Chipotle's all around where I live. I've never been to one, but I know they're all around me. Accepts Bitcoin as payment. There you go. There's no doubt about it. Crypto is here. No question about it. No one's going to say crypto isn't here. I just wish it would all stabilize and we had one and everything kind of like worked itself out. But anyway. Alex Hunt is here. How are you, Alex? You just missed the EV debate and the fuel prices in America debate and the cashback discount debate. And not one person responded. I was absolutely convinced somebody would say something, but no one said anything. I was like amazed by that. Anyway, let's look. Are we going to turn green today? We've got 15 minutes to go. We just need to quickly hear from our sponsors. You might see an ad, you might not. Let's see. Did you see an ad? Maybe you did, maybe you didn't. Okay. So anyway, we're down 1.12. I'm starting to believe that this future crash that Market Profit is talking about has been priced in. He doesn't agree with me. He thinks it's still going to come. So it's why I'm not going all in, all guns blazing. But I have bought some other stuff. I have used a few. I've got in a few different things. Yeah, 140 to fill my shuttle. Yeah. I know, Alex. And we were just talking about it 5 minutes ago. You need to rewind back the video what I just said 5 minutes ago. I don't want to repeat myself, but very interesting comparison to England and America when it comes to fuel. Not just the price, but the cashback, the coupon codes you can get, the fact that the vehicles are 4 times as inefficient. You have a little listen on and tell me what you think. Anyway, Virgin Galactic, we've got 15 minutes to go before the bell goes. We asked the question yesterday, will it be a green day? We were very close yesterday to a green day, but not quite. Get about 500 miles, so we'll need a bit more for Cornwall and back. Yes, you will. Martyn, tomorrow we'll follow the show by the train, travelling forward to Rome in the opening bell. Hey! Fantastic. Alicia and Patricia are going to be on the train tomorrow. How cool is that? On the train tomorrow while watching our show. I think that's very, very cool. I think that's very, very cool. You should take some pictures and put them on Discord and call in. You should call in live on the train. We're live on the train with the day trader. You should get the entire train involved. Stop the train. They should stop the train because, during the show they should stop the train. I think it'd be great. Right. Tesla's been slowly edging way up all day today. Yes, something new. Why? Yeah, why not? Yeah. Just pull the... They've probably got one of those cords, haven't they? If you pull it, it says, don't pull this. That one. The one that says, don't pull this. Because it stopped emergency brake. Pull that one. Pull it. This is financial advice. Pull it. See what happens. I'll tell you what will happen. The train will stop and everybody will watch the day trader. It'll work out great for everybody. Especially me. Not so good for you. Oh yeah, Martin. It could be an idea. I think it's a great idea. I think you should do it. I absolutely think you should take my financial advice and do it. No question about it. Yeah. I'm all for that. Anyway. Right then. We've got 26 people, 27 watching right now. We've got a good number of people watching. I want to call your name out, promote your YouTube channel, get everyone to watch your YouTube channel. You name it. Come on into the live chat and let me know you're here. Let me know what country you're from. I'm from Cornwall, United Kingdom. This is my TV studio here in Texas. Lovely to have you here. My studio, and even though I'm from England. But anyway, welcome, welcome, welcome to the party. Everyone on TikTok, how are you doing? Lovely to have you here. And we're going to put a 1 minute on the clock. And I want 20 likes because we've got 26 people watching and only 14 likes. You ready? Here we go. Smash the like button. And I'll even do you a little routine. You ready? Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Say please stand up. Say please stand up. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Nakamoto. Oi! Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Say please stand up. Say please stand up. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Nakamoto. Johnny Depp won his court case. Whoop-de-whoop. There you go. Thank God for that. Does that mean we can finally get it off the TV? I'm sick of it. Is everybody sick and tired of it? I'm very glad that Johnny Depp won. Not that I know who was right and who's wrong, because I don't really care. I'm honest with you. I don't know who's who. I don't know who's who. I do not know who is who. You know. But there you go. I'm glad you're happy, Paul. But I'm glad if it's finished. Because every time I pick up the news, it's Johnny Depp this, Johnny Depp that. I'm sick and tired of it. There's a World War III about to break out, and all we're talking about is Johnny Depp cutting his fingers off, and the other woman, whatever her name is, Mrs. Heard, whatever she is, I don't know. I'm not interested. Is anyone interested in it? Why does anyone care? No one would care if me and Lee were having an argument. No one. I wouldn't put that on YouTube. Wouldn't put that on the news, would they? Who would care? I don't know. I don't know. There's really important things to talk about on the news, and all we got is weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks of Johnny Depp. Pirates of the Caribbean. Come on, everybody! I'm trying to wind you up. I couldn't wind you up with the fuel. Now no one's bothered about that either. What's going on with you? Is it all hot and everyone's falling asleep? Is that what it is? I can do that big the air horn thing if you want. I'll wake you up with that. Everybody awake now. Next time I do it, I'm gonna pump up the volume. I'm gonna absolutely press the button and make it really loud so it breaks your speakers. Then you'll know. I don't care one way or the other, really. I just like Johnny Depp movies. That's what we need. We need you on the jury. That's how we need to solve the court case. I don't know who's telling the truth. I just like Pirates of the Caribbean. This court case. Hang on a minute. Somebody might go to prison here. Someone's going to get fined millions of dollars. This court case is costing millions of dollars. You got to take it seriously. I am taking it seriously. I like Johnny Depp movies. What's that got to do with anything? Well, he was a good pirate. He always pretended he was drunk. I reckon he's a great bloke. I don't reckon he's ever done anything wrong. I think he's brilliant. Yep. That's it then. I reckon everyone on the jury should just watch a Johnny Depp film. Watch him do Pirates of the Caribbean and then go, yeah, he was good at that, wasn't he? Yeah, I don't think he did anything wrong. Yeah. Get innocent. Oh, dear me. I just love the fact. I don't care one way or another. I just like Johnny's movies. Oh, brilliant. Johnny Depp's Black Trader. There you go. Oh, yeah, Johnny Depp's Black Trader. Forget the Black Pearl. Parlay is more of a guideline. There you go. Parlay is more of a guideline. Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas is a classic. I'm sure it is. It's a reason right there for him to be innocent. I totally agree with you. 100%. They probably used it as evidence. What's Eating Gilbert Grape is a great movie too. Never got into pirates. No, fair enough then. What about Alice in Wonderland? Like that one? Or Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory? That's all he had to say, actually. Hey, I was Willy Wonka, all right? I'm nice to children. I slugged slug pellet or slug gullet. What was he called? Slugworth. Slugworth. That's it. Slugworth slug pellets. Yeah, remember him? Remember the bloke from Alice in Wonderland? He wasn't called Slug Pellet, was he? He was called Slugworth. That's what he should have said at the court case. Look, this court case doesn't need to go on for 3 months and annoy Martyn Lucas every day. It don't. I was Willy Wonka. That should be all you need to know about me. That tells you what sort of person I am. All right, I wore a silly hat and silly glasses, and I make chocolate with the Oompa Loompas. Ah, there it is then. That's going to be the Devil's Jones Trade Auto Def. What? That's going to be the Devil Jones Trade. Do you mean Davy Jones? Davy Jones Locker. That's what you're trying to get at. I have to translate all this stuff. You know how hard it is to be me. People send me messages and I have to go, what does DEVI Jones mean? Hang on. I think that's Davy Jones. The Mummy 12, 1, 2 and 3. He wasn't in The Mummy. You're thinking of someone else. It's a good job you did. It's a good job you weren't on the jury. If you were in the court case, I liked him in The Mummy. He wasn't even in the bloody Mummy. He wasn't even in that. That's someone else. Unless he was the Mummy inside the Mummy outfit. He could have been that person, but I doubt if you get an A-list celebrity inside the bandages. I'm just saying, might be a bit expensive. Might be, expensive. Might have been Ricky Gervais. Ricky Gervais, totally, he would be up for that. Right. Oh, look at Facebook. Facebook presenting opportunity. Facebook, breaking news there. Look at that. We had a big drop there. Let me change the overlay. There we go. Are you a breaking news man? There we go. Look at that. Price movement. We just had a dramatic drop on Facebook. All of a sudden, Facebook's hit the buffers. Look at that. If you want to get in with Facebook right now, it just dropped. Straight line down. I wonder what caused that. Brendan Fraser. Thank you very much, Bill. Thank you, Bill. Was not Johnny Depp. It's a good job Alicia and Patricia wasn't on the jury. They would have not been good character witnesses. They would have been confusing him with a dead man from Egypt. Yes. What? Yeah. But what's that? Yeah. It's irrelevant whether it's a great movie or not. It's got nothing to do with Johnny Depp, has it? Great movie or not is irrelevant. No one cares about that. Right. Opportunity there if you wanted to get Facebook. If not, move on. Roll up, roll up. Half price Facebook, half price Facebook. Come and get your orders, come and get your orders. I have lost a lot of money today, Mike. Yes. I'm sorry to hear that, Mike. It is a tough day. It is. But we're preparing for the bottom. That's the way I see it. I'm sorry, Mike. We're all down today. What am I down today? I am down. We've got day trader of the day in 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm down $480. What are you down in most, Mike? What's lost you the money? Where have you had the biggest bleed today? Nvidia's down 1.62. SoFi is slowly picking up. IonQ down 7%. PayPal down 3%. Rolls-Royce much better today. Tesla and Rivian. Let me have a look. Rivian. Tesla, yeah, Rivian is down 3.5% today. Yes. And Tesla. Tesla is also down 2% today, yeah. What is your average for Tesla and Rivian? Where do you sit in those stocks right now? What's your position? Target is having a bit of a drop, look. Down 3%. I'm going to wait until it gets a lot cheaper. I don't need to own a lot of that at all. Canoe, Gove, On, IPOF, Tilray Brands, down 6%, down 7%. I'm just down 2.8 now. I bought more when it went down this morning, or this afternoon. Ginkgo Bioworks falling down again, still up on it at the moment. Open Door, Tesla, 1,055. Ouch. Rivian, 6113. Oh my God. Yes. That's painful. Have you not been buying the dips, Mike? Have you bought any Rivian? I mean, if you've got averages of 61, I mean that's basically half price. Have you not bought Rivian, or you've got no cash on standby or no margin or any way to get it? Because surely, if you've got an average of 6113 and you've got an average of 1,055, you're nearly at half price. Had bought a lot of shares a while back. Yes, I did the same. Are you not in a position to buy these dips? I mean, I'm sure you're going to make your money up, because even at 61, Rivian is going to pass that, and I'm no doubt about it. I don't have to buy back dips. I don't have to buy back dips. No, you don't have to buy back dips. I'm just saying. Oh, you don't have the money to buy back. Yeah. That's the frustrating part, isn't it? But I mean, at the end of the day, you're in a good position. You are in a good position, because Rivian is going to surpass. Rivian is going to surpass $60, no question, and so will Tesla pass 1,000. So no doubt about it. The difficult part will be when you hit 1,060. Will you sell to get your money out, hoping it will go back down again and to buy the next dip, or will you go, okay, I'm done now, and now I'm making money? Is that what you'll do? What will you do when your Rivian and Tesla hits your wash point? Will you stay in and then hopefully it will go up and make you money, and at some point you'll sell? Or will you get your money back and wait for a further dip? What's your strategy? I think it's a case of hold what you have for now, Mike. Tesla will definitely, absolutely, I totally agree with Paul. It's hard to wait, but I'm not selling out. It's hard to wait. It is. I get it. It is. But it's the right thing to do. It is the right thing to do. Absolutely. I mean, Tesla might have some more downside, but not much. It might go down to maybe 650 or I mean, market profit is predicting 200. I don't see that at all. The Tesla investors are far too bullish, and there's about to be a big push for Tesla in the next few weeks as well. Tesla, I will sell, but not Rivian. Tesla, I will sell, but not Rivian when it comes close to the average. Okay. So you will sell Tesla when it breaks even. Why will you do that? I mean, I guess if you need the money, I mean, it's simple, isn't it? It's not about whether you think it's going to go higher. It's whether you need the money out, and I get that. All right, the bell is now gone. Let's do day trader of the day. Tesla might go to 550. It might go to 550. You're absolutely right. It could go to 550, but it won't stay there for very long. I know that Tesla is about to break up. I know it is. There's so much good stuff around Tesla right now. I'm not concerned. I will buy it back if it drops. That's a good idea. Get your money out and then get the dip. That's very good. Okay, so let's do day trader of the day. Go to your live position, your main portfolio. In the forthcoming dip can certainly see Tesla hit the 500s. If it does that, Paul, I won't be selling my Tesla. I just buy more. That's what I would do. If I'm sitting here and Tesla goes boom to 500, I will just buy another 2 or 3 and lower the average. That's what I will do. I won't sell what I've got. I'll just add to it. In the forthcoming dip, that's what he thinks is going to happen. All right, so go to your main portfolio and have a look. Your day position, I'm down 1.8, but remember we've had a good week though. Down 1.82%. Let me give everybody a minute on the clock. Make sure that you've pressed the red. Your video is showing red, not grey. If you're grey, you're behind time. If you're red, you're live. Some of you often are behind. Make sure you're always red and you're always up to date with the show. All right. Okie dokie. Going to give you 1 minute on the clock and let's see who our day trader of the day is. It's not always who's got the most, it's who's lost the least at these days. Anyway, let's have a look. 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. All right. Down 1.02. So Dodge Nitro Jude goes into the lead. Dodge Nitro Jude goes into the lead, just over 1% down. S&P is down in the after hours, but it's trying to come up. Virgin Galactic is coming up, down 3.16, going to third place. So Dodge Nitro Jude is still holding the lead. 20 seconds to go. Tesla, Rivian, Lucid's going down after hours. Bought some Neo, and PayPal, very nice. Not a fan of Neo, but PayPal I think is great. Amazon, Apple. Okay. And Nicholas Morello is down 3%. Okay. So let's have a look. It looks like then we're all down. No one's up. No one's made any money. But Dodge Nitro Jude has lost the least amount of money. And we can understand from what Mike said earlier, he didn't want to post his score. It's probably lower again. So we understand that, Mike. And our support goes to you. A big thank you to Dodge Nitro Jude for your honest trade. Give him a big thumbs up and let's give him a big round of applause. Oh, yes. That's what we're talking about. Down 0.3. Rocket Man came right in at the end. Unfortunately, you were late. Booty boo, wow, wow, wow. Rocket Man's actually our winner today, but he came in late. That's why I always say, make sure you press the red button and make your live red, not your live grey. There you go. But congratulations, Rocket Man, down 0.3. All right. Right, we've come to the end of our shenanigans today. I didn't manage to wind anybody up with their cars and trucks and petrol prices and gas prices and Johnny Depp and all the rest of it. Didn't get any rise from anybody. You were very, very well restrained today. I'll give you that. If you're watching on the replay, make sure that you give us a subscribe, ring the bell. This was a special day today. We celebrated Paul's birthday and Lel Devarza today. It was their birthdays, and we congratulate them on their birthdays. If you didn't wish them happy birthday, are you a miserable sod, or would you like to post it in the chat now? There you go. Vanguard S&P is just going sideways. Boring day in the market. Yeah, that's why it's quiet. You can always tell if we're dramatically up and everyone's making money. Oh, the show's full of people having a great time. Those times will come again. The fish will gather again for the Andrea Gale. So said George Clooney from Perfect Storm. The stocks will gather again for the day trader. Lucid is going down after hours. Arrival going down after hours. Amazon going sideways. Apple down slightly in the after hours. Robinhood, what's it doing? Sideways in the after hours. Very slightly down. Straight across, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, slightly up in the after hours. I'll take that all day long. Johnson & Johnson, slightly up in the after hours. MasterCard going sideways right now. Google is up in the after hours slightly, 0.03. And Microsoft is up 0.18 in the after hours. Nice little swing. Nvidia is down the smallest amount, 0.01 in the after hours. Nvidia, sorry, I've just said that one. Don't you say it twice. Have I got two Nvidias? I got two Nvidias. Look at that. That's total chaos. What's going on there? Have I got two Nvidias in here? Top left screen. No, top bottom screen. Have I got two Nvidias? If I have, I can delete one. No. I've only got one. So there you go. Don't know what was going on there. Complete chaos on the show. Meta is going sideways. SoFi is going sideways right now. IonQ. Oh no, not Nvidia. Sell, sell, sell. What? Robert Rose? Oh no, not Nvidia. What's going on? Nvidia, sell, sell, sell. What do you mean? What's wrong with Nvidia? I'm up 16% on my 1.06 of a share. What's going on? What's going on? What have I missed? Oh no, not Nvidia. Sell, sell, sell. What's that? What have they done? Love to know, Robert Rose. Ali Tisro, bad day in the markets. I think we have more room on upside before a big dump. Is the big dump coming though? How much SoFi do you have? How much SoFi do I have? I have 64 shares. 64 shares. How much SoFi do I have? 64 shares. So there you go. Currently, 64 shares. Ali Tisro, like Market Profit, is also predicting a big dump. There are many analysts who agree with you, and there are many analysts who don't. Ali, shall we hear from Ali Tisro as we end the show? Oh yes, have we got everybody here? Nvidia coming out with number tomorrow, very bearish number apparently. Most of the public don't know about it. Oh, hello. What's that then? What's that? Nvidia coming out with number tomorrow. A number for what? Very bearish number apparently. Is it their earnings tomorrow? What is it? Oh! When did this happen? 129 per share. Oh, hang on, this has just happened. Yeah, this has already happened. Sell before close. Why? What's happening? I'm up 16%. What's happening? Coming out with a number. What number they're coming out with? It's a strong buy. Don't sell it. Hold it. What's wrong with it? Everything looks great. Improving all the time. They exceeded in the earnings. I know they said going forward wasn't good. You are lucky you have aftermarket. Get out. Why? Get out. You need to tell me why. You're all just go safest thing to, for what? What's happening with Nvidia? I'm up 16%. I bought the bottom. Why would I sell out? Come on, guys. You can't just go. Everyone sell. Numbers don't. You mean numbers don't lie? What numbers? What numbers? I'm completely oblivious of what you're saying. I know the expectations were great, but the earnings just came out. We got the earnings. We know about the earnings. We've already had it. What is it you're all afraid of? The way I see that is, I'm up 16%, so if it dropped, I'd just buy another one. That's the way I'd look at it. Any information? Okay. Is there any news on the channel about Nvidia? There's no news. The crash will go down in history. Please God no. Please God no. I'll be there buying the whole way. You can't just keep saying please God, end of the world, numbers. You don't say why. What's the point? Give me some information. Levkin, sell Nvidia. Rumors is the new cards. Rumor is the new cards are dreadful. Oh, I see. The rumor is the new cards are dreadful. Okay. Buy the rumor, sell the news, not sell the rumor. I've never heard of it that way around. Put a stop loss if you were. I'm not worried about it. Nvidia is a great company. And I'm up 16%. I don't understand why everyone's freaking out. Put in a stop loss if you're worried about it. No, if it can drop, everything can drop. It's not a problem. I'll just buy a lower one. I'm not worried about Nvidia going down. Nvidia's a great company. Get clear. No one's giving me any information. You can't just keep saying sell without any information. People are always negative which drives the market down. Don't go don't go in with leverage, that's for sure. What about space? Carlos Sanchez. I don't know what the fear is about. Why everybody's stressing about no more buying. Stop, please stop. All right, you're not giving me any information. You can't just come on and go sell, end of the world. We're all going to die with no information. I mean, what's the point of that? And Levkin has got it. Intel is bringing out the right. Okay, here we go. Levkin has just said. Let's have a little look. Levkin says Intel is bringing out some insane new graphics card. Nvidia's market share will drop massively. Okay. Nvidia is linked with quite a few car manufacturers. I think it's linked to is it BMW? I'm trying to think who else it's linked to. Where are you getting this information from? Have you seen Meet Kevin's new... Oh, Meet Kevin. Oh, are you following Meet Kevin? I'm not so sure I would... I mean, Meet Kevin likes promoting stuff that he wants to promote. I'll just put it that way. What you see here is not the Meet Kevin show, right? Meet Kevin is for Meet Kevin. I'm not saying he's right or wrong, but Meet Kevin is for Meet Kevin. I just want to just quickly answer Carlos Sanchez, who's patiently asking about SPCE. SPCE, I've been buying more, Carlos. I've been buying more. I've now got 1,101. I've been buying the dips all the way down. Yep. Great. Still all in. I'm more in than before. I've got more shares than before. As you can see, Carlos, I'm very happy with it. Have you seen the Meet Kevin new video? I wouldn't go off what Meet Kevin says. Meet Kevin starts every one of his shows with selling you his training program. He wants you to pay him to tell you what to buy and sell. So he likes to influence the markets. He's got like 1.5 million or nearly 2 million people. So the other day, you know, he talked about margin, which was incorrect. You can go bankrupt with margin, which is not true. We proved that. So it's up to you. If you want to watch sensationalism, and every video of Graham Stepan and every video of Meet Kevin starts with a picture of I'm going to die, even though I'm a multi-millionaire and I earn $10,000 a video, because they do. All right, I'm losing all my money. They all do it. Then that's fine. But that's not what you get on this show. I don't make up stuff just to make it sound good. So buy Intel as a hedge. Intel, listen to Levkin. How about AMD? Buy Intel now. Good thinking. Oh yes, perhaps AMD. No, got your info wrong. Ali Tisro, who are you saying no, got your info wrong? No to who? Please be clear with your messages. What do you mean by that? No, not from Meet Kevin. Meet Kevin is also claiming World War III is imminent. Yeah. I'm getting my info from Jensen. Right. A lot of you have got a lot of influence here from YouTubers. Let me just tell you, even though I'm a YouTuber, my knowledge is based on everything I am learning from you, not what other YouTubers are telling me, number one. Number two, unlike other YouTubers, this is my real money. They've got their money on the side, and they get you to pay for training programs to fund the whole thing. This channel works differently. I'm not going to make financial decisions on what Meet Kevin says, or Cryptos Are Us, or BitBoy, or anybody else for that matter. I make my financial decisions on my study of my own and listening to you. But if your knowledge is coming from I heard it from a YouTube channel, then that's not financial advice that I wish to take. Yeah. I'm getting my info from Jensen. He himself is bearish on Nvidia. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Now. Warren Buffett will always tell you buy when everyone else is fearful. And don't believe everyone on YouTube. How is your Tesla doing? Taking some profits? Tesla is great. I'm up 3.77. I've been buying the dips, so my average is getting lower and lower. So great, best company in the world. Get out. Sell Nvidia if the founder himself is bearish. Don't listen to Meet Kevin. We hate Meet Kevin. Guys, you can't listen to, you have to, I know I'm on YouTube, but I'm sharing with you my real money, and I've set up a show to be my real money. You've seen me get upset. You see me really feel the pain. This is real. Meet Kevin puts on a performance. Graham Stepan, by the way, if you want to know why Graham Stepan is always a sad face on his videos, always, do you know why? because he's worked out the algorithm works for him. And he's got a few million subscribers, and he keeps the same thumbnail. I keep the same thumbnail, but I don't believe in trying to sell something other than what it's just me doing a show. What is his. What is real. I'm not gonna. I don't know. You can choose whatever you want. Listen to what Jensen, the founder, is saying. Yeah, even so, Nvidia is dangerous. Nvidia, in my book, is a great company. I blocked me, Kevin. What you blocked him? Why does he ring you up? I don't think you need to block him. Just don't watch it. But so do you. What do I do, Robert Rose? You said yeah. But so do you. What do I do? The other day I got upset and I cried. It was real. We got a super chat. Robert Rose gave me a super chat. Thank you ever so much. How long have we got left? Is Robert a bot? Robert Crows, get clear. Get clear of what? Get out. Ali Tisro's doing it now as well. What's going on? Jensen, bearish on Nvidia. You know they're running out of wafers. Right? Oh, okay. Running out of wafers. Rally will come soon, but dump after Nicholas keeps holding. Don't trust all the influencers. Just get out of Nvidia. But sell Nvidia, Ali's saying. Will the best profitable trade of the year? I'm going to read out the super chats. We're getting so many comments. I've got to focus on the super chats, okay? So here we go. Robert Rose has said, no, please get clear. Nvidia is a dark piece. Dark piece. This isn't financial advice, is it? Just to clarify, Jensen is the CEO of Nvidia, not a YouTuber. I accept that. I'm just worried about the information you have on it. Okay. Breaking news. The COO of Meta stepping down. Do you mean the CEO? The CEO of Meta is stepping down. Stock sell-off. Okay, let's have a look. What's going on there now? That's what that little drop there was. Well, it rallied straight away. It's not, Graham Stepan can't box, but don't listen to him. Oh, I like Ali Tisro. I like Ali Tisro. He's saying get out. Meet Kevin is a real estate millionaire that has a YouTube channel. He covers a lot of stocks and anything that will make a buck on. Yeah, absolutely. He does. And I respect him for that. He works very hard. He's got lots of videos. He's a multi-millionaire. And he sells you lots of programs to make him even richer. And that's fine. I've got every respect for him. But he will tell you what he wants to tell you to get you to watch. And it's not his stocks on the screen, is it? That's my real Nvidia. That's my real money. Supply chain. Everyone has supply chain issues, but Nvidia is best placed to deal with it. Breaking news: Nvidia chart looks exactly like every other tech stock on the daily chart. Looks like exactly every other tech stock on the daily chart. Right, now we have some stability to the show. I totally agree. Nvidia is just like every other tech stock on the daily chart. I don't know if there's some sort of like game today on the channel where everyone's going, Meet Kevin says sell all your stocks or sell it. How long do you have to trade? And I've got another 3.5 hours. I've got until 7 o'clock. Inflation will hurt new car sales, of course. Plunging Nvidia revenue with them. Just remember what happened to the 3 big car manufacturers back in the 2008. History doesn't repeat itself, but it rhymes. Oh, I like that one. But the best, the most profitable company selling cars is Tesla. I like you too, Martin. You're the best. Here day in and day out. Absolutely. Always here. Always telling the truth. My name is not Meet Kevin. Okay, spend the next hour researching. All right. Martin, take a step back from the information you're being provided. In my opinion, there's more than one person there's more than one person saying about NVIDIA potential, this message will spread and cause a panic sell. It's your call. Get clear before close, I say. Right. As you know, guys, I don't fear anything. I'm not worried about anything. I know NVIDIA is a great company. All right. What I will do is if everybody starts to panic and sell, I will go, thank you very much. It's why I only have one. I only have one share of NVIDIA when it dropped on the earnings so much. I am up 16%. If it goes down 20%, I will buy another one. That is what I will do. I'm not selling it. I bought it for a steal, and I will buy it. I will buy a second one. All this over one share. I know. It's quite funny, isn't it? It is actually quite funny. Get out! $182. Cool. Thanks, market. What did market do? Market. The rally failed. Thinking the crash will come sooner. Today is the first day of quantitative tightening. Market liquidity is worse than anticipated. And you know what I say to that market profit? Bring it on. Because the moment we get the real drop, if the real drop is real and it comes, I'll be buying in more than ever. I'm not at all worried. All right? Fearful people are getting out of control. Everyone's predicting the end of the world. If the end of the world comes, the end of the world comes. You're not going to help yourself by sticking your head in a bucket and saying, shoot me. I don't see the point. Sell everything. Run to the hills. Calm the hell down. And if you want to run to the hills and sell all your stock, great, I'll buy it. Anybody else want to sell NVIDIA for 20 cents? I'll buy it. Oh, God. Sell, sell, sell. You cannot afford to lose that 27% gain. You cannot afford to lose that $27 gain. I know. Get clear. Robert Rose, he's committed. Thanks, Martin. Good stuff. Martin, you're very welcome, Robert. Buy the dip. I will be buying the dip. You damn right. If the whole world sells out, thanks very much. I was reading last night, Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett hates. He finds it really boring to have the green days. He loves the red days. He loves when everyone sells out and he buys all the cheap stocks of good companies. NVIDIA is a good company. NVIDIA has value. NVIDIA is not just a name on a screen on an app that everyone can tweet about and get excited about and say stuff. It's an actual company that makes great graphics cards and great technologies. It's a great company. And if everybody wants to go, it's all rubbish and fearful and sell it, great, I'll just buy it. If you don't want it, I'll have it. Yeah, that's fine. Suits me. Down to the ground. Clearing out this most sensible thing to do right now. I'm so tired of the fear. It's ridiculous. Will the real drop please stand up? Let's do it. Let's do it. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, for market profit and the two, I think it was Ali Tisro and Robert Rose gave me a tip. Right. Hang on. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Say please stand up. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Nakamoto. Should I sell my NVIDIA? Is NVIDIA gonna crash? what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh. Okay, how did that go down? Let's have a look. Let's see what happened there. Let me just delete the comment a minute. There we go. What we got here? How can you buy in when you have no cash, just margin? I've been selling. I've been trading. So how much more to come? I think he's out of margin. I'm out of margin. Nope. $38,000 if I wanted it. There you go. Got $38,864 in margin if I want it. There's my buying power. If I think the end of the world is coming and it's all going to be for free, I got $38,000 in margin to spend. All right, but I don't think the end of the world is coming. And if it is, what the hell? Is anyone else digging the nuclear bunker in their garden, or is it just me? Yeah, I'm all right. I got market profit. He's got a bunker already set out for me. Exactly. If World War III happens, I'll be worried about bullets flying, not stocks. Yeah, wouldn't really care less. Where are you getting this extra cash? Must be dirty money. Yep, I've dug it up under the floorboards. Fusion, he said we will be buying in the dips. Fusion, he said he will buy in the dips. Any dips? Nicholas, cash is king in case of war. Cash won't do you nothing if there's a war, mate. If you've got cash, it won't buy you anything in a World War III. Here he is. Hang on. Here he is. Red wine. Stay close to me. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Where's me thing gone? Hang on. What's happened to me thing? Let me press that. I've got to end this. I've got to end this on TikTok because I've pressed my effects button and I can't turn it off. Hang on. Oh, yeah, there you go. I fixed it. Is that better? Yeah, you were in a cave for a minute then. Warren Buffett has like 100 billion in cash. Of course he likes the red days. Buffett has serious cash though. Correct, he does. Paul B, we will see the full effects of the drop soon. Crypto will fall hard and I can't wait to load up on CRO, XRP, VVS, just name a few. Sub 20,000. It's why I've got hardly any crypto at all. No point being poor in a war. You can't buy if you don't have any cash. And Paul, love it. This is the funniest show on earth. Martyn channeling his inner John Cleese. Oh, brilliant. There you go. Nicholas Morello, everyone's happy. Martyn, I actually recommend you look at NVIDIA books. The stock price has been increasing at such a disproportionate price relative to revenue. Despite this pullback, it's overvalued. All high-tech stocks are overvalued. It's all about going forward in the future. That's how the stock market works. Maybe it's too much, though. You may be right. That's what Market Profit believes in the whole stock market right now. I'm sure he's right. This is hilarious. Imagine his wife walking in right now. He'd be going to the loony bin. Yeah. Love it. I think his wife is watching. Yeah, she sat in the other room. She is. Graphics cards are going back in stock, which proves that demand for them has been declining. Are going back in stock, which proves that demand for them has been declining ever since the start of COVID, when it peaked. Are you selling? Am I selling what? NVIDIA? Well, right now, NVIDIA's going up. So, at the moment, I'm not selling, no. But, I'm up 16%. Are you selling? I love all the fearmonger, says Mike. I sell half when I get to even. Get out of NVIDIA and get into Intel. If you wish to be exposed to the silicon market, but I only see it going down. Is your wife allowed in your studio? No, she's not allowed. I'm afraid cash is the only thing that will buy you something in World War III. Your long position on NVIDIA won't do anything. Get out now or never. Your wife would make you sell NVIDIA if she saw the numbers. Probably would. You're totally right. But anyway, there you go. It's all rock and roll. It's all rock and roll to me. Yeah. Robert, why are you so worried about Martyn? Yeah, why? Because he cares. Right, let's have a little look. Where are we? We've gone way overdue today. I don't know why I'm here so long. So I've got to do a quick commercial and I'll be right back. You ready? Skip the commercial. You'll be right back with me. Here we go. All right. Did you see the ad? Did you see the ad? Okay. Let's have a little look. Where are we right now? Let's have a little look. Okay. Let's check our numbers. He cares about Martyn. Robert, why are you so... He cares. I love it. Right. I've got a surprise for you. I've got a surprise for everybody. You ready? Okay, here we go. Surprise. Surprise. Here, first of all, Alex, nudge it, budget, move
Follow
it.
Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
Rob McLean.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
Paul B.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
That's very true, Jason. People bash Nvidia. If you like it, but it drops, we will all be buying that. Says something about it. That's right. Everyone's going to bash it, but they'll all buy it when it goes to half price. There you go. I guarantee that. Mike1668. He doesn't want him to live on his tips alone and wants him to be a successful successful trading career. Levkin, I appreciate that. For $183, a Captain Fantastic. Here he is. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's the second time today. Would you please welcome to the stage, Sir Elton John is in the house.
Hello, my name is Sam Hughes, and I pretend to be Sir Elton John for a living. Now, if you want music, if you want the stocks, anything like that, this is the place to be. Follow this man. He's beautiful. He is the Rocket Man. I thought I was. His name is Martyn Lucas. Follow him. He is the day trader.
Oh, yes. There you go. Second time today. What do you think of that, Sam? Do you like that? Levkin, what are you... you are worried about nothing. Hi, Sam. I'm so happy that you are here. It's great to see you, Sam. It is. There's your world premiere. Fantastic. So how can we follow that? I'll tell you how we can follow that. We can follow that with Paddy. Who is this? Who is it? It's Sam. It's Sam right above us. This is Sam right. Do you want to see it again? This is Sir Elton John.
Hello, my name is Sam Hughes, and I pretend to be Sir Elton John for a living. Now, if you want music, if you want the stocks, anything like that, this is the place to be. Follow this man. He's beautiful. He is the Rocket Man. I thought I was.
Yeah, get out of it.
His name is Martyn Lucas. Follow him. He is the day trader.
There you go. See, that's absolutely right. He knows it. Okay. Captain Fantastic Martyn. There it is. Hey, Paddy, how you doing? Third time. I know. No, not again. You've had it too much. You can't overdo it. Felix and Friends does 20-minute deep dive into NVIDIA if anyone really wants to look at the numbers. Felix and Friends does a 20-minute deep dive into NVIDIA if anyone really wants to look at the numbers. Where is Felix and Friends and who are Felix and Friends? I'd like to know. Fusion by BP. Now, oil and gas and all that, great profits right now, but as soon as we get some sort of ceasefire in Ukraine, that'll all drop. Jubilee is tomorrow. Very important. You're absolutely right. Absolutely right. And I have got God Save the Queen on my music channel. So if you've not checked it out, Chris David, no sound on TikTok. No sound on TikTok. 1, 2. Oh no. I can see that. No sound on TikTok. Hang on a minute. No sound on TikTok. 1, 2. There you go. Is that better? Have I fixed it? We can't. Can you hear me now? There you go. I need to I need to fix this, though. One. There you go. I fixed it. I fixed it. How long has it been like that? Take this money out of it. Take this money and get out of NVIDIA. We got a great tip here from Levkin. Levkin has told me to sell my NVIDIA. He's given me $8.90. I've never had this. This is quite an experience right now. Levkin, I appreciate that very much indeed. You are now very, very famous on our channel. I've never... This is quite... What do you think of this, Mike? Sorry, this is quite a night. Time to stop the stream for tonight. It is getting weird. It's getting very weird. People are giving me tips to sell my stocks. This could be a whole new channel. So generous of you, Levkin. It is. Minal, Jamie crashed the market today. If we all chip in 182, we can buy Martyn's share of NVIDIA. This is the funniest thing I've ever seen. If we all chip in $182, we can borrow Martyn's share of NVIDIA. What sort of show is this? I tell you what, at least sell $16 or at least sell £16. Why? What's £16 going to do? Allow the man to keep his position in NVIDIA. He's a deep buyer, a dip buyer. Yeah. I tell you what, I don't think there's another YouTube channel in the world like this one. I don't think there is. Anyway. Selling one share of NVIDIA. That is the start of a bigger position. Absolutely. What is going on here? This is just because the profits of it. This is the most funniest thing I've ever seen. Has anyone ever seen? Do you know what? It's time for some music. Because it's the most bizarre channel in the world. The world's gone mad. I think World War III... World War III's already started and everyone's got nuclear radiation. People are coming on the show tipping me to sell my stocks even though I'm up 16%. It's the funniest thing in the world. You better sell that or you might get more tips. What the heck is going on here? Have you ever seen anything like it? I bet Meet Kevin doesn't have this. All right. Okay. I'll tell you what. Levkin giving you paid advice. Legend. I don't believe this. Well, basically, I've lost no money now. So, I tell you what, I've got an idea. All right? We're gonna create history now. Are you ready? We're gonna create history. Okay, here we go. So, I don't have a clue what's going on my channel right now, but anyway, this is quite entertaining. I'm going to end the show on TikTok because I've got a surprise and I can't do it on TikTok. YouTube.com/thedaytrader1. The link's in the profile. YouTube.com/thedaytrader1. Links in the profile. Jump there now because we're now going to have the NVIDIA song. We're going to do the NVIDIA song. I've got to say goodbye to you now for copyright reasons. Bye-bye for now. See you later. There you go. All right. End on TikTok. All right. The whole world has gone mental. The world's gone mental. Okay, here we go. Okay. I'm getting ready. Okay. Okay. We're in position. Okay, we're in position now. The world's gone mad. You've all gone bonkers. And, you know, it is what it is. What the hell? This is your... Get out, get out, get out. What is going on? I've only got one share. Right. Okay, here we go. This is unbelievable. Right. Okay, so what we're going to do now, right? Oh, man, is if you want to bring down NVIDIA, which clearly you do, for whatever reason, okay, here is the live chat. You can comment on the screen because we're going to create history now. We're gonna create history now. Mike, have you ever seen anything like it? Are you ready? So here we go. Hang on a minute. I'm so flummoxed by it all. I can't even contain the excitement. Right, here we go. So we're now going to create history. All right. There is the information on the screen. Okay, for you. And I'm going to put this up here. NVIDIA. I've got a little thing here. on NVIDIA. We're going to make history now. YouTube, channels, the day trader. Excuse me for talking out loud. Earnings. I'm sure I've got the logo. Have I got NVIDIA? Please tell me I have. Oh, I have. I have. I'm so excited. I have. Right, I've got it. Right, okay. So put that there. Right, hang on. This is getting very exciting now. We are going to create history in the world tonight. Okay. There you go. Right, there you go. That'll do. All your comments are there. Right, we're going to create NVIDIA history. So you need to call up the NVIDIA people and have them call in. All right? I think we're all set. Okay. So here we go. Wow, Levkin, amazing work. I'm confused, guys. So we need to buy NVIDIA or give me a moment. You have to sell all. I want to use my measly $2 to stay in. What's going on? Peter Maycock, what's going on, mate? It's absolutely bloody chaos. That's what's going on. Right? Apparently, Meet Kevin has said everyone needs to sell NVIDIA. Apparently. Apparently, according to the guys today, NVIDIA, Meet Kevin has said, we've all got to sell NVIDIA. It's about to go to zero. It's about to crash. The end of the world's coming. So here we go. All right. This is for all of you right now. NVIDIA. Okay. Okay, here we go. Right, NVIDIA. So this is for everybody today. This is for the NVIDIA crowd on Reddit, Twitter, wherever you're coming from tonight. Because Meet Kevin has told the world tonight we have to sell our NVIDIA, and if we don't, we're all going to go bankrupt. So anyway, the crowd's gone mad. So here we go. So I want all the names to come through right now. Okay, I need to see your names come through because we need to do this right now. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. All right, here we go. It's 4 o'clock on a Wednesday and the day traders shuffle in. They say NVIDIA is going to zero, making love to their tonics and gin. Now Agent 301 and Peter Maycock and Levkin. Get out of this place. Hiya! La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da da. Now sell your Nvidia, man, before you sing us a song tonight. And Nvidia is going to zero, apparently, they say, on the day trade show. Oh! Now Ali Tisro is a friend of mine, and he gets my drinks for free. He reminds me that Meet Kevin never said that at all. He never said sell Nvidia. We must be wrong. Ah! But Levkin says sell it. Get out of here. Take your one share of Nvidia. Take it away. Otherwise you'll go to zero. So important. All right. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da da. Martyn plays a song. Get rid of it, Robert Rose, he said. Now Paddy April and Alicia April, all the way from Italy, you know. What's going on here? Mr. Swift, he said, what's going on here? And Tom B is so confused. They're saying sell it, Nvidia, it's going to zero. You need to sell your share, run away, run away. La da 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 da. La da da. Now Paul is a real estate novelist, and he never had time for a wife. And they're talking to Davey, who's still in the Navy. Meet Kevin is poop. Get out of Nvidia. Get into Intel, it's blue. Buy Nvidia, it's much better because it's blue. I agree, blue's a much better colour. Paul B says there's a small flash crash. 115,000 wiped out Bitcoin. Oh dear. I'm so glad that I am out. Tom B, he says buy Intel, Nvidia, it's time to go. Now you can always sell Nvidia and buy Intel instead because it's blue, and apparently blue is a much better colour on the stock market. I love it. La da 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 da. Who's a gold member? Who's a gold member? Click the membership, become a gold member. La da 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 da. Won't you sing us a song? You're the world's piano man and the day trader show. A funny thing happened today live on the show. It all went mad and crazy. Sell everything, the end of the world's coming. La da da da. There we go. Well, that was a very interesting night tonight. I don't think anyone has ever seen the Day Trader show quite as unbelievably crazy. The sky is falling, and Tom said he'll become a member. If you sell, I'll become a gold member. Hang on a minute. If I get 2 gold members, I'll sell it. I will sell my shares of Nvidia if I get 2 gold members. I mean, I might as well just say it. I'll put it out there. Noble stuff. Robert Rose and donate. Yeah, I mean, Tom B. And he says he'll donate big. If I sell it, okay, I'll tell you what. I will sell live on air my Nvidia. I will sell it live on air, my Nvidia, if I get 2 gold members and a donation. What the hell? If this is where the show is going tonight, and you want to crash Nvidia, I will sell my entire portfolio of Nvidia live on the show. Yep, we're going to go from blue to green. Yep, we're going to go from blue. I mean, apparently Levkin says buy blue to green. So there we go. Unbelievable. We'll see. Sell it and buy space. 5x in 1 year. I agree with that. There we go. Let me go back to the stocks right now. So there we go. Mike, can you believe this is happening? Can you believe in the world that we live in, this is happening? So if I will sell my Nvidia if I get 2 gold members and a donation. I will do it live on the show. I will succumb to the craziness that is the Nvidia craziness of tonight. All right, let me go back over to the trades and see what the heck is going on. So here we go. Let me have a little look. That song went to your head. It did something. You're absolutely right. Blue over green. I've never anything like it. All right, let me go over. Let me go back to the studio. All right. Okay, here we go. All right. We're going to move over here now. Put this up. Okay, we're back in the hot seat. All for $183. It's been one hell of an. It's been an experience, isn't it, mate? This has been an experience. But I've said I will commit to that. I will commit to that. I will sell my Nvidia live on the show right now if I get 2 gold members and a donation. I will. And if you want the if you want to join. Here is the invitation to join. I can't believe this is actually happening. I can't believe this is how we trade nowadays. There you go. There is the... there it is right there. I don't know. It's quite a laugh, isn't it? Right, 35,560. So we're going to give it a couple of minutes and see if anything happens. Right? I don't think anyone will do it. I don't think anyone will do it in a million years, but we'll see. Vanguard S&P is going sideways. We are now in the after hours. Apparently, Bitcoin wiped out, down 6%, 29. Mike, you love it, right? This is great. Down 6% today, back down to 29,000 again. Here goes Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going back down again. Ethereum is also going back down with it. That's why I'm not really in it. I've only have a few bucks in it. There we go. Enphase Energy. Mike, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Where's everybody gone? Where did everybody go? If you've just tuned in today, you are watching the craziest day trader channel in the world. Ali Tisro, I'd like you to call in. I'd like to hear from you. Let me open up the broadcast lounge. Subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up if you're here. Let's see. If we get clear. They left the building. Have they gone? Oh, no. Robert Rose is back. Robert Rose says, get clear, quick. Nvidia. So we're going sideways on the S&P. Virgin Galactic, we're going sideways. Tesla, down 0.32. Rivian is just fallen down 1.16. Like Elvis, they left the building. Ladies and gentlemen, Elvis has left the building. Lucid's coming up. I just got here. William Caron. You've just got here. You've missed the craziest, most unbelievable show in the history of YouTube. We had unbelievable excitement today. You wouldn't believe it. You wouldn't believe it if I told you. You'd have to go and watch it. Robinhood markets is down, is flat. I'm down 0.23. McDonald's is going sideways. What a mess the chat has been. What? Unbelievable. Well, I said we need 2 golds. There's 1. Oh, Levkin, I said 2 golds. That's only 1. That's only 1. I said 2 golds. That's only 1. Why? What? That's what you need, Martyn. That's what you need. What do I need, Ali Tisro? I said I'd 2 golds and I would sell it. I only got 1. Rewind the video. What? What? Right. Okay. Here we go. Unbelievable. I hope tonight in the history of the show. My word is my word. Here we go. I do not understand. This is incredible. I do not understand it. Let me get my Nvidia stock up. Where's it gone? There it is. Nvidia. Are you ready? I'm going to sell my Nvidia stock. I said if I got 2 gold members, watch Nvidia. We'll go up past $500. I said I would do it, so I said I would do it, so I will. Are you ready? Okay. Okay. Get out, get out, get out. All right. Sell all. Are you ready? Sell all. Are you ready? Don't get greedy, Martyn. You have 1 share and you got like $100 in tips. Mate, I totally get it. Right, so here we go. I'm about to click sell. Ladies and gentlemen, live on the Day Trader tonight has been the most amazing show. We've been joined by the most amazing, funniest people, Levkin, Robert Rose, determined to get me to sell live on air my Nvidia share. So I'm about to sell my 1 share of Nvidia. And as soon as I click this, it's gone. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, sell. Sold. I just sold my Nvidia share. There you go. There we go. I've done it. We brought down the company. Nvidia is now finished. I'm baffled. I'm confused. Would somebody please explain to me what just happened there? I think I'll buy it back now. I think I'll buy it back. And use the tips to buy it back. Oh, my God. Rob and Levkin are now members. You can get them into the broadcast lounge. Yes. Now then, Levkin and Robert, you are gold members. Let me just tell you, I don't know why you did this, what was behind it, but let me tell you, right now as members, you can be on the homepage of my YouTube channel, and I will make you a video, a testimonial video for free. It's worth $500. I will do it for free. I will make you a YouTube video, post it to your channel, and put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. These are the members. You can be here as a gold member, and during the live show, I will get my members to watch your video. It will blow up your YouTube channel. I will make you the video, promote it. If you make me a manager on your channel, I will do all that for you. Also, you are entitled to a 20-minute concert as a fundraiser if you want it. You're entitled to a birthday celebration if you want it. You're also able now to access Discord and talk to our angel investors, and you are able to have your own channel on our Discord channel. So here is the Discord. All our members would love to know what the hell happened tonight, why you did what you did, And there you go. There is the Discord link for you in the chat. All right, there is your Discord. There you go. There is your Discord. If you wish to be on Discord, I'll give it to you. There it is. Now, once you get the Discord, let me know, and I will make you a paid member of the Day Trader, and you will be able to talk. Now, we also have, if you come into Discord right now, we have the broadcast lounge, and you can call in. There it is. You can call in and be live on the show. So if you want to phone in, whether it's video or just call in, you can. You can call in. You can tell us. You can tell the world what the hell was that all about. You can tell everybody what's going on with Nvidia. I just sold my Nvidia live on the show because of you. There you go. So if you want to call in, you can. All right, so I'll leave that with you. If you go over to Discord, you can be in. They're saying no thank you. Okay, fair enough. Bill said, "Are you? Oh, you are still here." Yes, we're still here. It's been the most incredible show. I just subscribed to Levkin. There we go. There we go. Mike has just subscribed to you as well. He does that to all our channels. There we go. So you can take advantage of any of your gold membership plans if you wish to. But anyway. And subscribe to Robert. There you go. You got some subscribers already. So I've just sold my Nvidia. I made a profit on it. I'd be like, what's going to happen to Nvidia now? So I'm going to add that to my list because I don't have it anymore. Buy Bitcoin. Let's have a look. Put it into my list. I will too. What are you going to do, Tom B? You're gonna join Discord. You're gonna call in. Let me see if anyone's just joined Discord. I don't see anybody just in there just yet. Anyway, I tell you what, you couldn't get this on Meet Kevin, could you? Meet Kevin, you couldn't tell Meet Kevin what to buy and sell. Do not buy Bitcoin. I've got no intention of buying Bitcoin right now. I'm very happy to sell my Nvidia at a profit with all the tips coming in, but I'm not going to buy Bitcoin at the moment at all. Anyway, there's Bitcoin right now. When it goes down to 20,000, I will buy one, but not at this price. No. Anyway. I think we're going to end the show there right now. I don't know how to top that. I think that's been quite a momentous occasion. And unless anybody wants to come into... Informer has just added into Discord. Here's the Informer. This might be one of you guys. Just come on in. There we go. Just been welcomed in. Informer. Okay, Paul, how about the shush? Let's thank Levkin. Let's thank Levkin. I mean, absolutely. Levkin's been amazing tonight. He's Levkin and Robert, they became members to our channel. Gold members. Can you believe it? And the tips were flying like you wouldn't believe. They got me to sell my Nvidia. I sold it. Should I buy it back again? I think what Mike said was funny. Mike said, Nvidia is now going to go up to $500 and you're going to be out of it. Now the fun and games is all over, I'd love you guys to message me through Discord. I'd love you to leave comments below this video and tell us what the heck that was all about. Someone is in the broadcast lounge. Let's have a look. Ali Tisro. Ali Tisro. Okay, let's invite him in. Server. Let's bring him up. Right, okay, here we go. We've got Ali Tisro on the line. Ali Tisro, you are live on the Day Trader. How are you?
I'm good, Martin. How are you?
Mate, what is going on tonight? Tell me about it.
I guess you sell it all.
Well,
all of NVIDIA.
I only had one share. That's what I don't understand. I had one share, and I was up by 16%. So I've made a profit. I sold it. I did what I said. You can see it on the screen. Look, I've got no NVIDIA, but I got 2 gold members and tips. I mean, I must have received $100 to sell 1 share of NVIDIA.
Yeah, you need to get out. It's a stinky stock, I like to say. It's not a good one to be in. Especially after the numbers coming out tomorrow.
Well, tomorrow we're going to find out. I have to say, honestly, I don't know a huge amount about NVIDIA. I just bought it because it seemed to be a good stock to own. It's why I only had one. I had it as one as a market share, because when I don't research a stock and it looks interesting, I'll buy one and then I'll research it and see what it does for a while and so on. And when the earnings came out and it dropped down so much, it seemed to make sense and it popped up. It straight away I made 16%, which is great, right? And I was going to watch it for a while and see how it performed and research it and add to it. But right now, I mean, I'm just baffled why 2 guys who've never watched the show before would come in and tip me and become gold members just to get me to sell the stock. I mean,
they care about you that much, Martyn. It's a good thing.
Yeah, but it was only 1 share. I mean, I wasn't going to go bankrupt, was I? Anyway,
of leverage these days.
Oh man, that was very entertaining. Anyway, how's the world with Ali Tisro tonight, mate?
Yeah, just on the train trying to head back home. So I thought I'd call in, make sure you sold your NVIDIA.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about it. So I'll leave you to it. But I'm very happy you sold your NVIDIA. That should be a good move. Time will tell.
Well, time will tell. So what is it you know? What is it's coming out that I've not heard then? Why is everyone getting so passionate about selling NVIDIA?
I'm gonna have to leave you here, Martyn. That's a secret I never tell. I'm on the train, so the connection might not be best, but but it's a bad stock. That's all I'm gonna say.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you ever so much, Ali, for calling in. Safe travels, and thanks for
Martyn.
being here. Cheers, mate. Bye bye.
Speak to you soon. Bye bye.
Bye bye. There's Ali Tisro just called in. So more intrigue. He wouldn't tell me why NVIDIA was such a bad stock. Confused. Are you confused? Are you more confused now than you've ever been? NVIDIA to Uranus. Oh, man. Thank goodness you were convinced, though. 1 bullet dodged. Silly decisions. This is what a lack of research can do. Well, only time will tell. Thank you, guys, for your support. Anything else you want me to get rid of on my stocks? This is my full portfolio right here. This is everything I own. This is my portfolio. I have the Vanguard S&P. I have SPCE, Tesla, Rivian. These are all my actual positions, my actual money, the whole thing. Arrival, Amazon, Apple, Robinhood, McDonald's. You can see how much I have, how much invested I have. Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, MasterCard, Google, Microsoft, NVIDIA. I don't have it anymore. I've sold it all. Meta, SoFi, IonQ, PayPal, Rolls-Royce, Walmart, Target, Tesco's, Canoe, On, IPOF, a tiny amount, Tilray Brands, Ginkgo Bioworks, Open Door, Enphase, and Bitcoin SV, 2 coins of that, and Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, and a handful of ETFs that are high dividend stocks. That's my portfolio, shared for all. That's all my money. Concerning portfolio, Ali Tisro says, don't buy back. Don't buy. I think I daren't buy back. I daren't buy back. I've no idea what the consequences will be. Anyway, we're going to end the show right there. Tonight has been the most entertaining of shows ever experienced in the history of the world. That was quite entertaining. I thank you all for it. We've got 2 new gold members. We hope they become members on Discord and take part. Levkin, is that you on? Is that you, Levkin? Just before I go, Levkin, is that you on Discord? I'm sure it must be you. Buy back and get 2 more gold members. Yeah, go figure that. Levkin, is this you? I'm assuming this is you, but I just want you to say affirmative. And the reason why I ask, it needs to be said, because people on YouTube will go onto Google, they will create an account, pretend to be you to get your benefits. Right. So basically, now I know it's you, I will make you a member. You are a gold member. There you go. So you are now a member. So you can now see all the other channels. You can talk to our angel investor, Peru. You can talk to me. You can talk to Muzanella, one of our big traders. You can have your own channel. If you wish to have your own channel, just tell me. What you do is you go into one of the channels and just say you'd like your own channel. And I will give you your own channel, and maybe you want to promote something, you want to talk to the traders, you have a YouTube channel or a business or some interest that you want to share with everybody, you can have that. Portfolio may need work, actually. All right, Tom B, I appreciate everyone today. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. We're live every day for the opening and closing bell, every day. Lovely to have you here. And we're back again in the morning. We're live 2 hours in the morning, very often 3 hours, 2 hours, often 3 hours in the afternoon with breaking news throughout the day. If you've enjoyed my channel, I was voted by Elton John as the World Piano Man. Check out Martyn Lucas on YouTube. It's on the homepage of my channel, and you can check out my music and all the other stuff I do. But that's it from me. I will do it next time. Thank you very much indeed. I look forward to seeing you all back in the morning. Until then, the craziest night we've ever had on the Day Trader. Take care of yourselves and each other.